of very, very significant political
Also true,
significance.
Mr. Hughes, because I was listening for that word from you so long. Because you mentioned where the Prime Minister has made a mega move in appointing him to the Senate. But the bigger move to me is that Duncan has accepted. So he has seen a different part in New Jamaica in no
Yes,
uncertain terms.
yes, yes,
And that is why he has accepted the appointment.
because it was well known, yeah, that for some time that Holness has been trying to get him into the Labour Party. Yeah, it has been
I should want to think so also.
it was an open secret in certain circles
Right.
that Holness saw in Keith someone he wanted to get into the Labour Party.